did it on this side, so this is what it's gonna look like. What's going on, guys? Alex here with Reject Rides. Today we're gonna head to my dad's house so we can work on the C-notch for the single cab. So let's head over there. So that's what they look like after they've been cut. Just gotta sand them down a little bit and primer them and paint them. But before we do that, we're gonna cut the frame on the single cab, and then we'll go from there. No hitchhikers. A little too late for that. What's going on, guys? Alex here with Reject Rides. Right now we're headed to Tractor Supply. We're gonna go buy some materials so we can start cutting the frame on the single cab. See you in a little bit. Or a half inch. Alright, so took the tire off. Now we just gotta mark it. That's what it looks like right now. This is the bolt for the brake line. And a little bracket, I use that bolt and that nut. So you gotta use drill the other holes, and then we'll go from there. Hey, what's going on, guys? Alex here. Hey, I cut the frame, but I didn't get it on video. If you can see right there, I just kind of did a rough cut. What I did, I drilled 2 holes on the top on each corner, and then I had a grinder and did a cut right here on this side and down, and then one down on that side as well. Enough where I can get my saw blade to go in there, and then just went to cutting. It's a rough cut. All I gotta do is grind it off real good. I already did it on this side, so this is what it's gonna look like. I just got to go buy the rest of the bolts and put them on there. And then I also bought, well, I didn't buy. I had the 2-inch blocks to lower it a little bit more, and I'll be installing those as well. This is what they look like. These will be actually going under the flip kit and raising the axle up. So let's get to work. Alright, guys, so I got both of the C-notches on there. The only one I didn't put on, the only bolt I didn't put on was the one right here and right here, because I can't get to it. But that's what it looks like. Not bad. what I'm fixing to do, I'm gonna start painting the frame, just kind of spray painting it. Got some black, I guess flat black or something. This one right here. See what I can do. Something. Cool. Yeah, I know. Let it dry, and then we'll put the bed on there as soon as it dries up. So we'll see in a little bit. So this is what it looks like. Not that one, this one. Alright guys, so I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.